Hi guys, this is Rushi and welcome to my channel. You've already seen my introductory video in the last video that I posted, and today's video is very special because I have two special guests joining me. My dad and my mom. Please welcome. And today we are making
विजन बोर्ड आइए दोस्तों वी आर गोइंग टू मेक अ विजन बोर्ड
ये हमारी जरा महा उत्साह मम्मी है. What we did is we've already jotted down the dreams that we are planning in next year and next few years, and we've already got printouts for the same for all three of us. So come on, let's make it. So guys, I'm helping my dad to finish his board first because he's traveling abroad for a business trip. And I think one of his wishes is already true in 2026. And I think one of my wishes is also true to start a YouTube channel. So we are already at a good start. Okay guys, you'll have to share one of your wishes that has to come true this year out of all the wishes. Let's start with mom.
Yes, I wanted to do one international destination wedding at very grand level. This is my first wish for the year 2026.
So to give you a little backstory, she is an event manager and an organizer at a very big level. She's running a company called V Events since last 20 years and has a very renowned name in our community. Moving over to our dad.
I'm going to start my new office soon in one of the countries abroad this year.
Manifesting it for both of them to come true. Coming to my dream, I actually want to buy a car for myself. Which car, which color, I all have it in mind. But for you, it's a secret. So stay tuned. Take this as your sign to sit with your family, discuss your plans, and make sure all of you can achieve it together. Hi guys, it's another day. We have already finished most of our parts. I'm almost done with mine.
Still finishing work of mine.
Papa has finished half of it. He's actually left for the business trip. He's also reached safely. And he's asked me to stick more pictures that he's sent me. So we've already gotten more printouts for him. And today we'll be completing our boards finally. Honestly, coming on YouTube has always been my dream. But I've always been so skeptical to come on YouTube and share my daily lives and everything. It's just, should I do it or should I not do it? And if not now, then when? So I'm very excited for this journey ahead. We have completed all the three boards. This is my mom's, my papa's, and mine. Also, we believe in Najar a lot, so I had this Najar ke stickers in my drawer, and I took one and put it on all of our boards. Also, this is my last year's board, and I've already completed 70 to 80% of it. I'm grateful. Thank you, universe. And just to complete my 20 to 30% that's left, I have changed 2026 ka year wala sticker, and I'm manifesting all our dreams to come true. Honestly, I realized my mom and I had a difficult time choosing pictures and putting it up. In case if you want to things to be easier, I would recommend you to jot down goals and your dreams in a book just like I did. Sit with a phone, sit with this book, find out pictures that exactly go with your dreams and goals that you have envisioned in your life, and things will get easier. And honestly, I was trying to find that glue जो पूरा laminate कर देता है साथ में in my area, but I couldn't find anywhere. And being in a Gujarati girl, I have always been jugadu. So my mom gave us a jugadu idea. They're actually using a transparent tape, and we are laminating our entire boards this way. I love the texture, honestly. So yeah, you could do this, or else you could find a glue. And to make your life more easier and to make your vision board faster, you all can directly make a board on a Canva app or any editing app. We did it with lot of efforts. We took out pictures, we cut them into shapes, we stick them, कहाँ पे place करना है क्या. It took us a lot of efforts and time. And we wanted it to be that way, that we take efforts and time to make our board so that we know what exactly is our goal. But in case you're very busy in your life, or in case you don't have enough time, you can always make it on Canva.
But sitting together, had a great family time, the best Sunday ever.
Yeah, so I've already checklisted one of my dreams of 2026. If you're already watching this video vlog live on YouTube, let's go together. Please comment your dreams and your goals in comment section. Let's pray, let's manifest for each other, and let's get successful together. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.